Hello, my name is Mana and I'll show you how I go from baby to teenager in 1 week. Step 1. Get yourself a chef. Step 2. Make sure your chef has a scale so you can brag about your gains later. Step 3. Cuddles. Step 4. Eat the food. All of it. Fill the crop till you drop, as my bird mama would say. Step 5. Make cute noises so your chef knows they're doing a good job.
You look happy.
If you really want to show off, use the dolphin.
Belly.
Step 6. A parrot's mind is everything. So, after food, meditation. Step 7. Even if it's scary, go out. It's an adventure. Step 8. More cuddles. Step 9. Balance and harness training.
I love you. Sweetie. Yes. Very good. Oh, training perches. Very good. You alright? It's challenging to hold that balance, isn't it? Very good.
Step 10. Listen to forest sounds from the Senegal area, the area of your great-great-great-great-grandfather. Step 11. Show off your new weight and your new feathers after 1 week. And step 12. Always get a good night's sleep.